What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel and my stays, where stays and other K-pop fans can come to my channel, be themselves, and react to the K-pop idols that they love most. I will be posting 3 videos the next day or 2. I will post the first video tonight. It will be me reacting to Airplanes by Stray Kids. I haven't heard it or seen it before. Someone recommended the video to me in one of my YouTube channels, so I'll be reacting to that. And then I will also be reacting to the Good Morning America that they just did today, or this morning. And then I will also be doing a Which Stray Kids member are you quiz. I'll be posting the Airplanes video tonight, and then I'll be doing the quiz, post the quiz after, and then I'll do the Good Morning America one. So it's something to look forward to. Let's get straight to this video. Alright, welcome guys. This is the Stray Kids Airplane video. It's the JYP building version. I don't know if they have another version. I'm assuming this is like the official video. Because I couldn't really find the official video. So let's get straight to it. Look at Felix, he's so adorable. Got Lino. I don't know who's behind him. Bangchan maybe? Yeah. Before we get started, this is a video they did 3 years ago. So, hope you guys enjoy. I like that. 해와 달이 바통 터치 하루 다시 해가 뜰 때까지 만날 때마다 날아가는 기분 한시라도 아까워 여분 아껴보자고 풀린 신발끈도 못 묶었어 파란 하늘 바라보면 걷고 좋은데 전해가 더 가깝게 영화 감상은 색다르게 그대 음료와 얼음은 적당하게 우와 탄사와 노랫말 따라 Paris 아님 런던 기다려봐 잠깐만 진정해봐 있잖아 나 네가 나 너무 처음부터 내 심장은 늘고 나를 미치게 나 올라타자 비행기 너와 나 함께 타는 비행기 We are 어디든 가요 We are 너와는 어디든지까지 심사고와 올라타자 비행기 같이 가는 따라와 비행기 I like concept like that. Today's a day to fly away. 기대가 돼 구름진데 상상할수록 마음이 편해져, baby. 빨리 나와 못 참아 설레는 기분 말야. 피어나면 눈치 보지 않고 쉴 수 있어. 그동안 쌓인 모든 것들 창문 밖에 던져. 하나께 두만 A 세 개 A 있는데 어느 순간 도착한 이곳은 뉴욕 아닌 LA. 기다려봐 잠깐만 진정해봐 있잖아 나 네가 나 너무 좋아 처음부터 넌내 심장을 흔들고 나를 미치게 멀리 떠나자고 올라타 비행기 너와 단둘이서 타는 비행기 We are 멀리 어디든 가요 짐 싸고 와 올라타자 비행기 같이 가늘 따라와 비행기 We are 어디든 가요 We are 너와는 어디든지까지 Now put your hands up 우리는 매일매일 좋은 느낌 가지고서 떠나 Now put your hands up 우리는 매일매일 멀리 떠나 We fall in love yeah Gonna we show you never land 너의 피터팬 나의 손 놓지마 babe 아무도 본 적이 없는 걸 너만 보이게 모든 걸 다 내게 줄게 Wait 좀 더 내 옆으로 와 closer 늦기 전에 나를 봐 my lover 꿈 속에서 좋잖아 멀리 떠나는 상상을 해 Felix is hilarious. Oh, his hair has glitter in it. Looks nice. I'm just gonna pause because I don't want to keep talking over the video, but all their hair looks really nice. Sungmin with like a pastel pink, Lino with the orange, Hans got the like skunk black and white, Felix and Hanjin got that like almost like platinum blonde. Not Hanjin, but Felix. They all look so cute. Changmin's got the blue hair. Ian's just looking cute because he's cute. I like the glitter in Changmin's hair with the red. Looks nice. Look at the glitter.
너무 잘해. 다 같이 인사드립시다. 네네. 스테이 감독님. 스테이 감독님. 스테이 감독님. 감사합니다.
Stray Kids everywhere around the world, you make Stray Kids stay.
Let's go.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get started on the other ones while this one is uploading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was Stray Kids Airplane JYP building version, their little music video. They all look so cute. I love Bangchan's hairstyle. His was probably my favorite. His and Hyunjin's. I like that Changbin had like blue, and Sungmin looks so cute with that like pastel pink. They all look so adorable, and Ian is just Ian. He's just so cute. But yeah, I loved Hyunjin's hairstyle and Bangchan's. I think those are my favorite. But I like the hangy. I like it. It's catchy. I love it. But thank you guys for watching. Look forward to those other videos. I want to say this one's gonna upload tonight, so they should be uploaded tomorrow afternoon. So look forward to that. Thank you guys so much for watching and so much for supporting my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't liked, please like. If you haven't commented, please comment who you would want me to react to and what song you would want me to react to. I'm very open to suggestions on like other K-pop idols. Like I said, I haven't really spent too much time on discovering more of the K-pop world, K-pop idols. I've been so dedicated and focused on Stray Kids, but I would love to kind of expand my horizons for the K-pop community. So let me know down in the comments who you want me to listen to, who you want me to react to, and I might do it for the next video after the two I'm about to upload. Thank you guys so much. Stay real, stay love, stay out.